Hi guys, and welcome back to Homemade by SIBO. It's a new year, we've got new projects. So my first project for the year, I would like to start off with this. You guys know I did mention that when I was fitting the pump in the tank, that later on I would like to install a filter to filtrate our water for the house, because we do get dirty water from time to time. And for us to get to have clean water and laundry wise and for drinking and all that, I would like to filtrate. So I bought the filter, we got it from Micah, and we also got a pump house eventually from Build It, our local Build It. But here I need to throw in a concrete slab so that it's sitting nicely. I just have these caps for my wall that were taken out when they were doing the wall, the electric fence. So I'm just using it to support, just to cover my my pump. But this is a pump house. It's the Jojo pump house. I know the filter itself, it's Inco, but it's not a problem. It covers nicely, and there's room even. So but today I want to install the filter system that we got. It came a full unit. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started, you guys. Okay, so this is my unit that I got, and it is a 3-stage purification system. And it comes like with a stand first of all, and we already pre-drilled the holes for mounting. Sorry guys, let's pause. Okay, so now what I need to do is I've already as I mentioned pre-drilled the holes onto the stand. Sorry about that, my filter keeps my pump keeps going. So now what I need to do is to mount this onto the slab here, and then I also got these fittings for the water inlet coming from the pump, and the same this is a male fitting, this one, and I got an elbow that is also a male fitting. So I'm gonna fit this one into here, get it to come, and then get a pipe, join a pipe here, and use the water that is coming from the pump, because I already have a shut valve there. So I will switch off the water from that is coming from the tank already. This is the shut valve that I'm going to switch off, so that there's no water passing through the pump whenever I am working with this. And then this is the pipe that has that is coming from the pump, and then I'm just gonna cut it there and get it to go up here and into the filter. And then again from the filter side I have the other end of the filter side. I'm just gonna put the fittings this side, go down, and then join the same pipe that was coming from the pump into the house. So that's the one that I am going to join. I have 2 of these to go in there, and then one is just gonna go up, and then one is gonna go down and into the house, from the pump into the filter, from the filter to the house. Alright, I've got a lid there. It's at the top.
At the bottom.
It's at the top. Going there. So I need to close. I need to wait for the filters to completely finish before I can say that there's no other leaks. So yeah. Okay guys, so I am done, and if you can see there, just where's my finger? Oh, just there's the shut valve. It's already opened, and this side I have fixed the leak there. If I can just zoom in a little bit on that low corner just there, I have fixed it and it's no more leaking. Actually, I had to change out, if you can see that I was using the blue elbows, so I had to get myself a new elbow because one of the seals, it got damaged, so I had to get, luckily I had a spare elbow, so I ended up using my black elbow, but it's not leaking now. And actually, whilst the pump is quiet right now, all the filters there, they are filled in with water. So when we open the taps inside the house, in the laundry or wherever in the house, everything just filtrates first and then goes back into the house. And then this side, this is how it comes out. This is the water going into the house now, and then I got another elbow there, and then another elbow to join in where we had the other pipe that was coming from the pump. So we just connected two elbows there and there. And then on this side, unfortunately I'm in a tight spot, but on this side I have an elbow that is coming, this pipe, this small black pipe here, it's the one that's coming from the pump, and then it's got an elbow and then going into the filter. And if sorry for that guys, if you can see here at the top of the thing, the filter system, I've got low arrows in every all these things here. You've got little arrows that shows you that the direction of the water, it must come from and going like that. So from the tank or from your pump, then it must go like that into your house. So yeah guys, that is everything. Okay you guys, and that is everything for today's video. I am done with my fitting my filter. I am hoping that, you know, I am now gonna be able to buy my white linen, white towels, white everything without having to discolor. And yeah, if you haven't done so already, please do consider to Homemade by SIBO, where you will be seeing DIYs, homemaking videos, and gardening videos. With that said, don't forget to smash that like button, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys. I hope I remember. If I can show there, like really show. Am I? Can you see me? You can't see me.
I can see you.
The whole head of everything.
Everything.
Okay.